How to log in Google account on Safari. Hey everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to log in Google and Safari. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open the Safari app on your iPhone. Here you will see various options such as Apple, Bing, Google and Yahoo. We are aiming to log into Google account, so let's click on Google. Now Google account is open, but you are not signed in yet. Tap on the sign in button. It will prompt you to enter your email address. Type in your email address and click next. Next, you will need to enter your password. After the password entry, the system will ask for verification. After the verification, there you go, you have successfully signed into Google account on Safari. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one.